Hi guys, you are watching Digital Maths lecture with SP and we are learning number system MCQ. And first MCQ is which of the following is a not natural number? An option is A1, B0, C5 and D100. Which of the following is a not natural number? And answer is B0. B0. Question number 2. The smallest prime number is an option is A0, B1, C2 and D3. The smallest prime number is and answer is C2. Question number 3. Which of the following is an irrational number? Which of the following is an irrational number? An option is A root 4, B root 5, C 3 root 5 and D 0.25. And answer is B root 5. And question number 4. The sum of an integer and its additive inverse is dot dot dot. And option is 1, B minus 1, C 0 and D the number itself. The number of integer and its additive inverse is, and answer is C0. Question number 5. Which of the following is a composite number? Which of the following is a composite number? An option is A11, B13, C15 and D17. Which of the following is a composite number? And answer is C15. Question number 6. The decimal expansion of a rational number is always, an option is A non-terminating and non-repeating, B terminating or repeating, C non-terminating and D irrational. The decimal expansion of rational number is always, and answer is B terminating or repeating. Question number 7. Which of the following is a whole number but not a natural number? Which of the following is a whole number but not a natural number? An option is A1, B0, C minus 1 and D. Which of the following is a not a natural number? And correct answer is B0. Question number 8. The product of two irrational number is. The product of two irrational number is. An option is A always irrational, B always rational, C rational or irrational, D never a real number. And answer is rational or irrational. Rational or irrational. Question number 9. The SCF of two co-prime number is, the SCF of two co-prime number is, option is 0, B 1, C the integer number and D the smaller number. The SCF of co-prime number is always B 1. Question number 10. The LCM of two number is 120 and their SCF is 10. If one number is 30, the other is, the LCM of two number is 120 and their SCF is 10. If one number is 30, the other number is, and option is A 20, B 40, C 16 and D 80. And करेक्ट आंसर इज बी 40। आपको लेक्चर कैसा लगा, एमसीक्यू कैसे लगे? अच्छे लगे तो चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करना मत भूलिए। तब तक के लिए थैंक यू वेरी मच।